Students, I Neelavan here. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 9 of your book My Observation Maths Part 1. Okay, today my topic is word problems on percentage. Okay, my topic is word problems on percentage. So please open your book My Observation Maths Part 1 at page number 100. I am taking question number 7 and 8. Okay. Today I am taking question number 7 and 8. Question is like this here. Nitin got 165 marks out of 200 in one term. Okay. So calculate the percentage of marks he got in the term. So here total marks are 200 and Nitin got out of 200 he has got 165 marks. So according to the question here you are going to calculate the percentage he got in the term. So percentage is, open your book also at page number 100 of My Observation book here, part 1. Percentage of marks is equal to marks secured or got divided by total marks into 100%. So percentage of marks, how many marks he has got? 165. So will be taken as numerator and total marks will be taken as denominator into 100%. Now simplify, cut 2 zeros with 2 zeros, then you are left with 165 upon 2%. Now divide 165 by 2. What are you getting? Please divide and you can make a line aside the space and can we use that space for rough work. Okay, aside you can divide 165 by 2. What will you get? You will get 82.5%. Okay, are you getting? You will have to divide 162 by 2. Okay, so percentage of marks Nitin has got, it is how much? 82.5%. It is 82.5%. Okay, so let's come to the next question, number 8. This is out of 50 questions. Question number 8 here. Out of 50 questions, Arman answered 60% of the questions. Out of this total question, 50 questions, he has answered only 60% of the questions. So how many questions did he answer? So we are going to get number of questions answered by Arman. So we will get 60% of 50 questions. Okay, 60% of 60 questions. Solution 8. Total questions here. Total questions it is 50, or total number of questions you can write. It is 50. Arman answered questions. Answer percentage of questions. Percentage of, you can write percentage full spelling. Answered percentage of questions, it is 60%. Okay. You can write 60 because we have written here percentage. That's why it will be the 60. So number of questions. Arman answered. Arman answered. Number of questions. Number of questions. How many questions he has answered? What will you get? You will get 60% of 50 questions. Okay, 60% of 50 questions. 60 in place of percentage, you will write 100 in the denominator into 50. So cut 1 0 with here. 1 0 with means he has answered 30 questions. He has answered 6 5 30. So he has answered 30 questions. Okay. Then in question number 9, please note down. In question number 9, the question is Mohit spends 20% of his pocket money on comic books. If he gets rupees 200 as his pocket money, how much does he spend on comic books? Question number 9. So you will get 20% of 200. Okay, 20% of 200. I think you have done this. So you can write for question number 9 here. Question number 9 is 9. Pocket money. Mohit. Solution I am starting. I am not writing the question. Please open your book at page number 101. Question number 9. Okay. Mohit gets money as Mohit gets amount of money as you can write here, gets amount of money as his pocket money, as his pocket money. He got rupees how much? 200. Okay. So he spends money on he spends percentage of his pocket money on comic books. So how much? 20%. Getting 20%, or you can avoid this percentage sign here because we have written here percentage here this side. 20%. So we are going to get he spends amount of money he spends on comic book. Amount of money Mohit spends, or Mohit spends amount of money, or you can write Mohit spends amount of money on comic books. It is 20% of 200. You will get 20% of rupees 200. So 20 upon 100. Of means multiply rupees 200. Cut 2 0 0 means he has spent how much? How many rupees? Rupees 40 spent by Mohit on comic books. on comic books. Okay. Then question number 10. In question number 10, I will give you clue how to do this. In a class of 60 students, 40 students of the students were absent. How many students were absent in the class? So you will get 40% of 60 students. You will write the proper language part. Okay. And MCQ you will do yourself 102 page. Okay. Your homework is do page 101. Question number 10 and MCQ. Okay. Chapter 9. Chapter 9. My observation. Question number 10 and MCQ. Okay. You will do in your My Observation book. Okay. And please do the work, math work regularly and watch the videos carefully. Okay. So stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself and keep proper distance from each other and protect yourself from COVID-19. Okay. Stay healthy, stay blessed. All the best. Thank you.